Children always seem to get sick at the most inconvenient of times, normally when you're on vacation or during the middle of the night. Did your child ever wake up screaming with pain of an ear infection? Thanks to the internet these days we have home remedies which require some common household items. Most parents have a few tricks up their sleeves, but it's generally good to learn new tricks too. This is Secret Earache remedy which has gone viral. Echo Featherstone refers to herself as the parenting practitioner. If her genius earache idea went viral as she shared on her profile showing a sleeping boy with a mug to his ear. But wait until you hear what's inside the mug. What I'm about to share with you is a coveted family secret. She wrote, "I use this all the time." She then claims your child ever wake up screaming in pain of an ear infection? We've all been there as parents. As Featherstone says, it takes 30 minutes for pain meds to kick in. She provides a list of step-by-step instructions to soothe ear pain quickly. If you suffer with ears or are prone to infections and broken eardrums, you can use this all the time. What to do? As per Echo's instructions. 1. Take a face cloth and heat it up in water as hot as your hands can stand, and wring the water out. 2. Place the hot wet face cloth in a mug. 3. Place mug in the microwave for 20 seconds until the cup is warm and cloth is burning hot. 4. Place open end of mug on your child's head, around the ear, being careful the hot cloth does not touch your child's ear. According to Echo, the pressure from the mug helps to relieve the built-up pressure inside the ear, which causes the symptoms including the pain.